Elves playing Monopoly.
I'm playing Monopoly.
Six. I can roll again. Properly 4, 5, 6.
My turn.
Go.
My turn. Huh? 6.
8.
My turn. Charge, your turn.
That's my turn
What is
again.
that?
The machine. The electronic banker.
What's wrong?
It's still my turn.
Sorry, I put wrong side.
I'm two time right now. I'm two time right now. I'm two time. Because that's not the rule.
Hi, little elf. What's your name?
Over.
Chancing.
Over. And then
Hey, you ever collect yet?
I collect already.
2 million.
Yeah, I collect already.
How many?
100k, remember? You must remember.
Hey, that's how it's
How
my
much I
turn.
roll?
It's my turn. But then,
You remember, baby?
but I need to roll 2 times.
5, 6, okay.
Move me, baby.
Eight.
Just move me.
6.
No.